The Tennessee State Fire Marshal's Office reminds Tennesseans that carbon monoxide poisoning can have deadly consequences. Clarksville resident Christine Watson lost her daughter and son-in-law on September 18, 2011, when they and 3 other people died in an RV camper because of carbon monoxide poisoning. Christine shares her family's tragic story.
Our daughter, Catherine Elizabeth, and her husband, John, were in a camper at the Clarksville Speedway with 3 other friends. They died due to carbon monoxide poisoning through a generator that had leaked through their camper. They just went to bed that night and they just fell asleep. Jonathan and Christian were 15 months old when their mom and daddy died. And every day they wonder where their mom and daddy is. They're 7 now. Jonathan and Christian are 7 years old now. And trying to make a 7-year-old understand that their mom and daddy's not coming back is very hard.
Christine became an advocate for carbon monoxide awareness. In 2015, Tennessee Governor Bill Haslam signed legislation declaring September 18th as Carbon Monoxide Awareness Day in Tennessee.
This carbon monoxide poisoning is a deadly gas that's odorless and colorless, and you can't see it, you can't smell it, and you don't even know that it's happening to you until it's all over. And I hate to see another family having to go through this heartache that my family has had to endure. You need to have carbon monoxide detectors in your home, in your apartment, in your camper. You need to make sure your batteries are up to date. You need to test your detectors in the spring and the fall. Make sure your detectors are working properly.
Tennessee law requires that rented RVs must have functioning carbon monoxide detectors before being leased for use. The law also holds RV rental companies responsible if they fail to document and test the carbon monoxide detectors in their leased vehicles. The law only applies to RV rentals. Families and RV owners should stay diligent in testing and changing the batteries of carbon monoxide detectors in their homes and campers. Remember, carbon monoxide detectors can provide an early warning before the gas reaches a dangerous level. Each RV, home, or business should have at least one carbon monoxide detector. Common symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning include headache, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, shortness of breath, and confusion. Remove a vehicle from the garage immediately after starting it. Do not run a vehicle or other fuel-powered equipment indoors, even if the garage doors are open. Only use generators in a well-ventilated outdoor location away from any windows, doors, and vent openings. Any person who has been exposed to carbon monoxide should immediately be moved to a fresh air location outdoors or by an open window or door. Call 911 from the fresh air location and stay there to await emergency assistance. For more carbon monoxide safety tips, visit our website at tn.gov/commerce.